Hi guys, it's Sweetie Pie and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. I literally spent most of my day cleaning cupboards. Oh my god, house cleaning sucks. Anyway, today we are actually going to, I'm going to show you something that I have been so excited about. There is actually something else that I've been excited about, but I don't think Sephora's coming through for me this day. I was supposed to get the Violet Voss hashtag palette today, and I was going to do a first impression tomorrow, but I don't think it's happening. It was so close to me. It was like literally an hour and a half away from my house. The mail. Anyway, guys, today we are talking about my first vault. Yes, I caved and I bought my first freaking vault. And paying $79 for this, this is probably one of the most expensive things I've ever purchased from Sephora, in it just itself being $79, and usually that's like a palette or something. Yeah, I don't think I have anything in my collection that's $79 in itself. But anyway, this is, I think, what, 7? Yes, there are 7 lipsticks in here. This is the Smashbox Be Legendary Metal and Pigment Vault, and it is very cool looking. So, as you can see, it comes in a little carton like this when you receive it, and it is lips. And on the back it tells you the shades you will be getting, and we'll get into that in a minute. When you pull it out, it is very cool. These are actually raised jewels on the front, and it opens up like this. And bam, you have your 7 full-size Be Legendary. They have 3 pigments, and then they have 4 of their metals. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to get into this, and I'm going to do swatches on my lips of all of these, but I just wanted to talk about the Be Legendary Liquid Lip formula. So this all started with a sample. I got a sample from Sephora, and it was 4 different shades of their pigments. It had the, this one is it's like a coppery tone. I cannot remember what it is called. Haterade. This one is Haterade. Then I got what they call Crimson Chrome. And it is this red, which I completely used up in the sample form. And then they gave you 2 of their pigments. This one is in Baddie. I haven't even opened it. And then another one was in Wifey. I think it's Wifey. Something like that. I'll put it down below if I'm wrong. Then, later on down the road, I knew I loved this formula because I literally used most of it up. I still have Haterade and this other one. Oh, I cannot remember what this one's called. Anyway, I still have Haterade and this one because Haterade doesn't actually come in the vault, which I was a little bit upset about, but it is what it is. I did get the very blue one, which they call Iced Out. Oh my gosh, wait till you see this. Anyway, so a little later on, I got a point perk. It was the Smashbox Crimson Chrome. And it just comes like this. And then later on, I got Wifey as a point perk as well. And Wifey is what I am wearing today in this video. I am going to show you like how they apply, and then I'm going to show you the vault. And I'm gonna swatch every single one, all 7 of them. And yeah, so anyway, wow, I feel like I'm like all over the place today. I am sorry about that. But yeah, anyway, guys, I'm going to swatch all of these on my lips for you guys, so let's get into that, and then I will get into just a few other things about what kind of a deal this is and whatnot, and yeah, so yeah. So I'm going to show you me applying the lipstick first, and I'm going to show you with Wifey, and then I am going to show you clips of me swatching all of these on my lips. Alright guys, so it comes with 3 full sizes of their Be Legendary liquid pigments. They are in Bad Bee, Girl Please, Brick Trick. And let's open this box and I'll show you guys. Like, look at that. Isn't that cool? It is a like set of lips and they're all like wet and juicy. And then they put these jewels and like, I guess, rhinestones. And it opens up like this. And of course you have like the velvet around it. And so yeah, it comes with, let me flip this over, Bad Bee, Girl Please, and Brick Trick. This is like a really, really dark brick. I took swatches of all of these that I'm going to show you guys. And then it comes with Petal Metal, Foiled Brat, Crimson Chrome, and Iced Out. Now, the way this started, why I bought this vault to begin with, it all started with a paper sample. I got a paper sample from Sephora that had 4 of the Belen Judere liquid lips. I don't know why they call them liquid lips. People get so confused. This is a lipstick that has full pigment as well as shine. I am wearing the one in Wifey today, which isn't actually in the vault. And I show you guys how these apply with Wifey today. It's my sample. And anyway, so it started with a paper sample, which had Crimson Chrome in it. It has this one, which is a orange. It's a Haterade. You can look it up on Sephora if you want. And then it came with 2 of their pigment lip, I hate calling them liquid lips. They're liquid lips to them. They're lip glosses to me. But it's not like a lip gloss you would put over top of a lipstick. These are full pigment lipsticks with a gloss finish. And they're not sticky or chunky or nasty at all. They're so easy to apply. The metal ones are absolutely gorgeous. Like, they are so fully stark. Even the blue one in this kit, like, it has full on pigment. And when I was reading on the Smashbox website, they said that these are so cool to make lip art. So I want to try my hand at a little bit of lip art. I'm going to look at Smashbox's Instagram and see if they have any ideas for that. But anyway, some information on this is the vault was $79 and it has a $196 value because each one is $28 a piece. They have 17 shades in their actual line and there are 7 in the vault. It comes with 4 liquid metals and 3 pigments. They are cruelty free. They have no oil, no silicone, no sulfates, no talc. And yeah, they have 4 stars on Sephora and they are 578 reviews in. So that's a pretty good review base, I think. So yeah, guys, let's get into the swatches of these because, oh my god, they are gorgeous. And yeah, so I am going to first show you, I'm going to show you how they apply with the Wifey shade, and then I will just go through and show you all the swatches on my lips. This was such a cute package, guys. Like, honestly, if you are looking for a lipstick, I would totally get a sample of these first, or try them on at Sephora, or, you know, just go buy one, try to get a point perk, you know, because I would say that the pigments are great, and they are, like, you could probably get away with, like, wearing them to work and whatnot. Mind you, if it's windy, your hair is gonna get in it. So, like, right now in Canada, it is winter out, and like, I would definitely, if I had to go out for any length of period today, it's like minus 35 right now. If I have to go out, if they end up mailing it, which I doubt they will, but if they do end up mailing it late, I'm not going to be wearing this because I'm going to have full face mask on, and they are not a liquid lipstick. They don't dry matte. Anyway, I love them. I think they're awesome, and I think that if you're looking for a vault and you like this, this is a good bang for your buck. All of the shades that are, you know, pretty common, not common, but like they were popular, are in this vault. Check it out on Sephora. I will try and link it down at the bottom if I remember. Sometimes I totally forget. Anyway, let's go into those swatches. colors. Like, they are so cool. My two favorites in the chrome version are definitely, oh gosh, it's hard to choose, honestly. I really do love Crimson Chrome, and I do love this one as well in Petal Metal. I'm really happy I got this one, and I'm just like, how can you resist? This is so pretty. This was one of the least expensive vaults they had, and I'm really happy I got it. I don't think that you have to spend money on these things, but a little bit of information about this vault and what kind of a deal it is. It is $79 Canadian, so that makes it about $85 with tax, and there's $196 value. It comes with the 3 liquid metals and the 3 pigments. They are cruelty-free, no oils, no silicones, no sulfates, no talc, none of that stuff. There are 17 shades in this line, and they're $28 a piece. They have a 4-star rating on Sephora with like 600 reviews. So, you know, I think that I don't know, I like the formula a lot. I'm not into liquid lips anymore, which is so sad for me because I have such a huge liquid lip, you know, collection. I have all the Me Now liquid lips, which I bought, oh, probably 4 years ago and barely ever use, but that's why I bought this, because I think this is such a cute idea. And if you do not wear like intense colors like this, you're not going to be interested in this. But oh my gosh, I love wearing like the blue. I'm going to wear that to Walmart one day and just shock every single person and embarrass my boyfriends. Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I am going to be posting a lot more Instagram videos. I had no idea that you could not use like just regular music on Instagram anymore. I posted a video and I was like, oh my gosh, it got taken down. I had no idea that you weren't allowed to use music anymore. Tell me, what do you guys use for your Instagram videos, if you guys do any? Tell me, what do you guys use for music? Do you use the YouTube music? Like, what do you use? Anyway, I love you guys so much, and thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video. Usually I'm not quite as babbly. I feel like I was super babbly. This just really excited me. Like, and I was kind of disappointed that I didn't get my hashtag palette. You know, life goes on. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Mwah. I love you guys so much. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and comment down below, you know, what is your favorite color in here? I don't know. I can't pick. I don't know. Anyway, guys, thank you so much, and have a wonderful, wonderful day, night, evening, whatever. Bye.